This AI could replace Google, and it's scary good. I tested it. You won't believe what it can do. There are two tools that are causing quite a stir in the AI world. One is called Perplexity AI, the other is ChatGPT with search plugins. Both of them can answer your questions directly, but which one is better? Let's ask Google, what is the capital of France? And now let's ask Perplexity, what is the capital of France? Boom, okay. Perplexity answered our question faster and more directly. But what about something more complicated like how to create a website? Google does provide a more structured and comprehensive answer here, but it also took almost 6 seconds to load, not to mention all the ads. So I tried something else. What are the biggest cities in the USA? Look at this. The Perplexity results show only 3 cities. Why? Because I asked a similar question just before, and it seems to remember my previous questions. It also provided a direct answer to my question without any ads or a separate search results page. In fact, students and researchers are already using Perplexity to get answers to their questions without having to go through the hassle of reading lengthy research papers. Some people are even using it to generate content ideas based on their input. But is it too good to be true? Sometimes the answers are just vague. Like when I asked who will win the World Cup 2024, it gave an answer that made no sense whatsoever. And because it's still in beta, it doesn't provide sources for its answers. So it's not 100% fact-checked. But then again, neither is Google. Both these tools have their own pros and cons. While Google is a fantastically designed tool with a great user interface and a plethora of features, Perplexity is faster, more concise, and to the point. If you're a knowledge worker who uses search engines for research, this could save you a lot of time. In fact, someone did the test with ChatGPT and found that it was up to 5 times faster than Google. Now, this doesn't mean that Google is going away anytime soon. In fact, Google themselves are working on an AI that looks like this. It's called Bard, and it's going to be a direct competitor to ChatGPT. But this just shows that the cracks are starting to show in Google's armor. If you're a long-term investor, this is probably not news to you. But for everyone else, this is a warning that things are changing fast. And if you don't change with them, you could get left behind. Will AI search engines kill Google? Probably not yet, but the future is looking. What do you think? Would you ditch Google for AI? Comment below.